Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Business Model Masters. We are here to explore the world's best business models and how they can lead your own business to success. Today we're diving into the world of a great tech company, Domino's Pizza. Yes, you heard that right. In the world of pizza delivery, Domino's stands not just for its delicious pizza, but as a pioneer of tech innovation. Back in 1998, Domino's introduced the HeatWave Hot Bags, designed to keep pizzas oven hot during normal delivery. The technology has evolved over the years, with the latest version relying solely on a patented insulation system that keeps pizzas both hot and crisp, eliminating the need for electricity. In 2007, Domino's released its online and mobile ordering system. They also introduced the Domino's Tracker in 2008, which was an industry first. This tool allows customers to follow the progress of their order from the time it's placed until they receive it. This was a game changer for the entire food service industry, setting a new standard for customer experience. This shows the importance of embracing technology to enhance customer experience. On the road, we meet the Domino's delivery expert. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile pizza oven that can hold up to 80 pizzas, ensuring they stay hot during delivery. The insight? Think outside the box to improve your product or service. Today, committed to sustainability, Domino's is turning their fleet into EVs. Their Chevy Bolt pizza delivery EVs are a testament to this commitment, reducing emissions while delivering your favorite pizzas. Our journey takes us to unexpected places with Domino's Hotspots. These are locations without traditional addresses, like parks and beaches, where customers can receive delivery orders. Now, there's Domino's Pinpoint Delivery. This feature allows customers to get their pizzas delivered to precise locations. Keep in mind the importance of getting your product flexible and adapt to your customers' needs.
Today, more than 80% of Domino's sales are generated via digital ordering channels. With Domino's Anywhere technology, you can order pizza from any device, from just typing an SMS or using your smartphone Domino's app. Even in the world of wearable tech, Domino's has made its mark. With their dedicated app, you can order your favorite pizza right from your wrist. In the realm of social media, we find another innovation. Did you know you can order Domino's pizza via Twitter? All it takes is a tweet of a pizza emoji to Domino's official Twitter handle. Don't miss the chance to engage with your customers in new and exciting ways by leveraging social media. But the innovation doesn't stop there. With Domino's and Amazon Alexa, you can order a pizza using just your voice. And in 2019, Domino's partnered with Ford to launch autonomous driverless delivery. These robots are designed to deliver pizzas quickly and efficiently.
So, the next time you order from Domino's, remember, there's a world of technology and innovation behind that tasty pizza. And as we've seen today, these innovations aren't just for global brands. They're insights you can apply in your own business to drive success. Embrace technology to enhance customer experience. Never underestimate the power of a well-designed product. Make your product or service as accessible as possible. Be flexible and adapt your product or service to your customers' needs. Leverage social media to engage with your customers in new and exciting ways. And automation can be a powerful tool for improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights from your favorite brands. And remember, the right business model can be the key to your success.